How to remove a Snapchat shortcut. First things first is access your Snapchat account, and you just have to go with the photo or the camera icon to take a snap. Now take a random snap, and then in here you just have to choose on send to. And this is where you should be able to see the shortcuts that you have. So I have a smiley emoji right here. This usually beside the phone book. So if you do have multiple shortcuts, then it's going to be visible here below the search box. Now to remove a certain shortcuts, all you have to do next is just to choose on the current shortcuts that you have. So as you can see, all you have to do is to tap on the plus icon. And in here, you should be able to be redirected to edit shortcuts. Now choose on your current or existing shortcuts. And to remove these, just simply choose the three dots at the top right portion of your screen. Now just simply choose on delete shortcut and delete it again. And that's how you delete a shortcut in Snapchat.